Howdy guys, in today's video we're gonna have a quick view on what is a cam in the actual FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the cam feature, at least a quick overview of what it is and where it's located. So obviously its location, you can find it here on our primary toolbar, which is a little cam button, a circle with an arrow on it. Now this is only going to really work properly if you actually have a form of, how can I say, project open. So if you have shapes and so forth. If you have no shapes, this thing's going to be pretty useless in many ways. So now also the actual cam, this is normally associated with CAD programs. You'll make a form of CAD design and then the cam will kind of interpret it so you can actually use it within your program. Now this is normally done with CNC type machining and programming. So these ones are all connected. You'll see this one has the CAD and it's got cam. So the CAD will allow you to kind of make the shapes yourself and the cam will help interpret it. And so what CAM stands for, it is computer aided manufacturing. So it's the computer obviously for the C, aided for the A, and M for manufacturing. Then also CAM softwares or normally is used to develop programs for a variety of CNC machines such as milling and turning machines, for example. Now for machines or cutting edge machinings and adaptive manufacturing. So it is kind of like I said, it's mostly associated with type of CNC type things, but what it does help is it helps you to do a few things, like you can preview the process it's going to take without actually having to cut it, which is very convenient, which we will look at a bit later. So you can actually set up your whole project, preview it, run it live, cutting process, and then kind of see what's the order and all of that, which with all the features this program has, it's a must-have tool for the program. But yeah, otherwise that is it on CAM. Like I said, it's mostly there to aid you in the manufacturing after you have made your CAD designs. But otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.